Cryptocurrencies are a world of opportunity that has made a lot of millionaires and even billionaires around the world. So why is it that most people who trade cryptocurrencies actually lose money? Even more importantly, why is it that you can't make money easily, consistently, and significantly when you trade cryptocurrencies? We have the answer to this discrepancy, and it can really help you to create some serious wealth. We're proud to introduce CryptoTradingApp, the first algorithmic cryptocurrency trading system available for ordinary traders and investors like you, which actually offers a turnkey trading strategy that requires next to nothing in terms of effort or knowledge, and which actually allows you to generate a 46% profit on your trades. You see, we've designed CryptoTradingApp based on our experience as crypto traders. For years, we've been through the ups and downs, and we never really liked the solutions that were on the table. Which is why I developed, tested, fine-tuned, and created a trading system that consistently generates gains of 46% on average and even more, whether the crypto markets are up or down. I'm not biased or emotional about it, which is why I created CryptoTradingApp to make money, whether there's a bull market or a bear market. I took the first steps in creating the algorithm, which has been working increasingly well, and I have gathered a team to complete this masterful trading tool. Whether you want to use it for day trading or longer-term investing, CryptoTradingApp's proprietary technical analysis and proprietary trading algorithms will allow you to go from newbie to pro without much effort, so you can start turning a profit while removing the typical guesswork that trading involves. CryptoTradingApp is integrated with Binance, the world's largest exchange of cryptocurrencies and altcoins, and it guides you through the process, helping you to set up a wallet on Coinbase and helping you to set up an account on Binance, so that you can have CryptoTradingApp's algorithms working, trading, and making money for you right from the get-go. Yes, this is how the uber-wealthy people of the world have their investments in financial markets constructed and developed, because algorithmic trading is the future of the financial world. And now we're making it available to you in the cryptocurrency world as well, and in a way that is affordable and extremely easy to use. Better yet, our platform is cloud-based, which means you can trade and access it from anywhere in the world, using any computer or other mobile device 24/7, 365 days per year. With CryptoTradingApp, you can buy and sell coins with no limits. You can easily keep track of your closed trades and performance with a clear global profit and loss display always available, and with a portfolio page that lets you easily keep track of all your open trades. In fact, you can even use trailing stop-loss orders on all your trades. Among other features, that's how sophisticated and unique CryptoTradingApp is, and we're now giving you the chance of having early, special, and discounted access to it. If you support our Indiegogo campaign that will fund the final touches of a revolutionary app that will change the way you trade.